Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be talking about your control wheel and how you can adjust the items that are in your control wheel using your cell phone with the Garmin Connect app. Now if you've watched my videos in the past, I've shown you before, let's press and hold the upper left button. That'll take us into what's called our control menu. And I can go through, I've got all of these different items in here. Again, I've done a video that shows you how you can edit them using your watch. In today's video, we're not going to look at the watch. We're going to just go on our cell phone. I'm going to show you how you can do this in the Garmin Connect app. One of the best things about the Garmin Fenix series is you can do most of your settings simply on your cell phone. Go on your cell phone, change your settings the way you want to, and then once it syncs over to your watch, the settings will take place. So let's go look at the Garmin Connect app on our cell phone. Okay, so as I mentioned, now I'm on my cell phone. Now I'm an Apple user. It shouldn't matter whether you're an Apple or Android user. This functionality should be pretty similar. The one thing you do have to have is the Garmin Connect app. So let's go ahead and go into our Garmin Connect app. It's a free app from Garmin. You should have it already if you've already got a Garmin, if you've got a Garmin Fenix 7 series watch. At the very bottom of the Garmin Connect app, you're going to see an option that says more, and it's going to have 3 dots. You're going to click on that. And then once we get in there, you're going to swipe until you see an option for Garmin devices. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Garmin devices. You should see all of the Garmin devices that you've got connected to your Garmin Connect account. In my case, I've got the Fenix 7 and I've got the Instinct Solar. I'm gonna go ahead and click on my Fenix 7. And then basically what you're looking at here are the settings that you can control from the Garmin Connect app on your cell phone. And then you're simply just gonna sync, and all of those settings will take place on your Fenix 7 watch. So what we're looking at here is going to be under appearance. So I'm going to click on appearance. Now the one thing you can't change is your watch face. You'll notice if I try and click on watch face, it's going to say, hey, this is only available when you get on your 7. But you can control things like your control menu, which is what we're talking about. I'm going to click on controls, and you'll see all of the options that we just saw when we got on my watch and saw them in my control menu. So if I want to remove any of these, I can simply delete them from here. I'm going to delete wallet. And you'll see now it's gone. And then I can go to the very bottom of the list and I can see all the other options I can add to my control wheel. Once I've got it edited the way I want to, I'm simply going to press the back button, go all the way back. There's several places. If you're already connected to your watch, it should automatically take those changes. If not, you can always click the little circle icon up at the top to sync your changes. And now we've successfully edited our control menu using the Garmin Connect app on our cell phone. We didn't even have to touch our watch to do the settings. I hope it makes sense. As always, thanks for watching.